Hi, do you know when the next bus comes?
Hi. It should be here in about 10 minutes.
Is this the bus to downtown?
Yes, it goes downtown.
Do you take this bus often?
Yes, I take it every day to work.
Is it usually on time?
Most of the time, but sometimes it's late.
How much is the fare?
It's $2.50 for a one-way ticket.
Can I pay with cash?
Yes, you can. Make sure you have exact change.
Do they accept cards?
Yes, they do accept cards.
Is there a bus pass?
Yes, you can buy a daily or monthly pass.
Where can I get a bus pass?
You can get it at the station or online.
How long is the ride downtown?
It takes about 20 minutes.